Get game day ready with me with 5 different fashion DIYs. I'm going to show you a hoodie, a purse strap, a necklace, sunglasses, and this cool vest. Let's get started with the hoodie. This is reverse applique. So go ahead and grab an old t-shirt, one that doesn't fit, or your kid's old t-shirt is perfect. You're going to cut out that logo, and then you're going to place it image side down, graphic side down on the inside of a hoodie. Just get that into position and pin it there. This is reverse applique, so once the sewing's done, you will see that image on the other side. So I'm gonna sew around the graphic, and this is knit, so I am using a knit needle. That's a ballpoint needle, and I'm just going around the design. And then you can see when I flip it over, you can see where those stitch lines are. Then you're gonna flip it back over and go ahead and trim up those edges. And then you will cut out the inside portion to reveal the logo. So you're gonna cut as close to the stitching line as possible, and you can see that the design is revealing itself there. These are so fun. It's such an easy upcycle with an old t-shirt and a new hoodie. All right, next I want to show you an adorable purse strap idea, because we all know that we're going to need our clear bags when we go to the stadium, and there's my chargers. So let's take a look at this necklace and purse strap. So I bought a store-bought purse strap in blue to match my chargers, and then I'm just sewing some charger ribbon that I ordered online directly down the strap. I am using those clips because it's a little thick for doing needles. It honestly doesn't get any easier than that. All right, let's check out this junk necklace. This is a junk charm necklace, and I'm going to just open up some jump rings, and I'm adding all sorts of football charms to a store-bought necklace. So I got this necklace at the craft store. It came with a clasp already, and I'm going to upcycle these earrings. So these are some charger earrings that I bought at the stadium, but look, now they are charms for my big chunky necklace. Every time I wear this, people stop me and they're like, oh my gosh, I love your necklace. Where'd you get it? So make sure you're opening those jump rings up by side to side, not pulling apart, and then just add your charms to a chain. So easy. All right, we're gonna need some sunnies. These are so fun to make. And yes, they were still drying in the car. So grab some beans. That's just to balance your glasses so that your gems don't fall off while they're drying. And then get any tiny flat-backed embellishments. I've got little footballs. I've got pearls in my blue and yellow colors for chargers. You can just go crazy here and glue down whatever you want. They're just fun to wear on game day. And again, it's one of those statement pieces where people will be stopping you because they're just so fun to wear. And statement sunglasses are so trendy right now that this is just a fun, cool way to do it. I'm using some gem glue, and that's them drying on the way to the stadium still. And there they are at SoFi Stadium. Of course, we had so much fun watching our Chargers and Justin Herbert. So it was cool to have a pair of sunglasses, especially for that touchdown. Okay, next, this is a little bit more advanced, but it's another reverse applique. This was a jersey that doesn't fit my kiddos anymore, and I'm gonna reverse applique it on the inside of a denim vest. I'm in LA, so a big heavy jean jacket isn't necessarily great for game day. So I went ahead and removed the tag on the inside, and then I'm sewing that to the top portion of the back. That's the little name portion there, trimming off the extra, and then the same way I did the hoodie, I'm cutting away that extra denim there to reveal the name underneath. I did a number 10 on the bottom, and then I'm using my fingernail to fray up the edges. I'm adding some rhinestone appliques, just ironing those down. So easy, so fun. I love it. Thanks so much for watching these 5 fashion DIYs for game day. Let me know in the comments who you're rooting for.